Hi, and welcome to 1261 East Lakewood off National in South Springfield. This is a large all-brick patio home near the Medical Mile and shopping. It has 1,800 square feet with 3 bedrooms, an office or 4th bedroom, and 2.5 baths. Here we're going to go into the living room. You can see it's a nice size. This is the dining area. All the windows have nice wooden trim features. The kitchen has very nice cabinets, a stove, refrigerator, built-in microwave, and dishwasher. It also has a door to the privacy fenced backyard and deck. There's an extra deep storage closet here that is also a nice place to go in stormy weather. All the doors throughout this home are higher grade 6-panel wooden doors. Here we're going to go down the hall to the half bath. And here is the office that could also be used as a 4th bedroom. Now we're going to go ahead and go upstairs. Upstairs we're going to find 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. First, we're going to go ahead and go into the master bedroom. This has a ceiling fan, nice windows and window treatments. Here we're going into the huge master closet. This is a walk-in closet, and notice that all the shelving around are very well reinforced. Here's the master bath, and it also has a walk-in shower with a seat. Now we're going to go back out to the landing area. Here's the utility room for the furnace and water heater. And this large landing area also here has a nice linen closet. Here is the laundry room. Got a couple of nice cabinets here. Here's another bedroom. It also has a ceiling fan and a very nice sized closet. All these rooms have nice sized closets. Now we're going to go back out and then go into the second bath upstairs. This bath has a tub shower combination. And now we're going to go into the final bedroom. This one also has a nice ceiling fan, as well as a large closet. And there you have 1261 East Lakewood here in Springfield. We look forward to seeing you.